Frank with Stonelink Property Management here at 67 County Street, Unit 12, Seekonk, Massachusetts. Second floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent. Starting our video tour when you walk in. Got your living area here. Hardwood flooring, high ceilings, big windows for plenty of natural light. Got your kitchen area straight ahead. Very spacious. Electric stove, plenty of countertop and cabinet space. Double sink, refrigerator, room for a good sized table. Main entrance there. To my right, you got your bathroom, shower, tub, and vanity. You got bedroom number 1. Big enough for a king set. There's some closet space right there. So the 2 bedrooms are connected. And then bedroom number 2 here. Big enough for a queen set. I'd like to apply for 67 County Street, Unit 12, Seekonk, Massachusetts. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.